Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
DJI Phantom 3 Professional Quadcopter 4K UHD Video Camera Drone. 4K UHD video recording with fully stabilized 3-axis gimbal. Vision positioning system allows stable flight indoors. Lightbridge digital streaming allows live viewing of 720p video. Full resolution video is simultaneously recorded on the internal microSD card. Included flight battery and rechargeable remote controller means this system is ready to fly out of the box. Flying this product is restricted within 15 miles radius of the White House. DJI Pilot app for iOS and Android allows live viewing and complete camera control. Phone tablets sold separately. See DJI's website for compatible models. Kindly refer all the tutorial videos given in the image section on the catalog before use for the proper training. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.